Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a piece of gear protection that's built tough and designed for mobility. The SKB 8U rSeries Shallow Rolling Rack Case. This isn't just any rack case. It's specifically engineered for those who need robust protection for their equipment without excessive depth, making it ideal for shallower gear like effects processors, wireless systems, or even some power amps. The core of this case's strength lies in its construction. It's rotomolded, a process that creates a single, seamless piece of plastic, resulting in incredible durability and resistance to impacts, moisture, and temperature extremes. This isn't a flimsy box. It feels solid and ready to handle the rigors of the road or frequent transport. The 8U size provides ample space for a good amount of rack gear, and the 11.75-inch rail-to-rail depth is perfect for that shallower equipment, ensuring a snug fit without wasted space or unnecessary bulk. Security is handled by recessed twist latches. These aren't just standard latches. They're designed to be low profile, reducing the chance of them getting snagged or damaged during transport. The twist mechanism provides a secure lock, keeping your valuable gear safely enclosed. One of the standout features, and what makes this case particularly practical for anyone on the move, is the inclusion of side-mounted wheels. This transforms the case from a heavy lift into something that can be easily rolled, saving your back and making setup and teardown much faster. Complementing the wheels are non-slip rubber feet. When the case is stationary, these feet provide stability, preventing it from sliding around on smooth surfaces and adding another layer of protection by keeping the bottom slightly elevated. SKB also includes rack mount screws with the case, which is a small but appreciated detail. It means you're ready to install your gear right away without having to hunt for the right hardware. Overall, this SKB 8U rSeries case presents itself as a highly functional and exceptionally durable solution for transporting and protecting shallower rack mount equipment. Its combination of tough construction, secure latches, and convenient rolling design makes it a top contender for anyone needing reliable gear protection on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.